Hi, this is Aditi Sharma, your Femina Miss India Chhattisgarh 2023. I just received this beautiful hamper from Colorbar. Can't wait to open it. Oh wow, so many products. Seems like they've handpicked all the products especially for me. My wish list has been fulfilled. The Colorbar Power Kiss Vegan Matte Lip Color was already on my list and I got 2 of them. So glad I have them now. And how about these gorgeous nail colors? Oh my god. I'm gonna try these. Excuse me. Oops, I forgot my hamper. Thank you Colorbar for this wonderfully curated hamper for all my grooming needs for this pageant. I feel ready.